Hi guys, this is Angela Simmons with Premier Homes by Angela. I am standing in front of the newest rental home that will be available in Snellville just for you. Take a little bit of look at the neighborhood. Check it out. This is a split level home with encouragement at the front door. This home has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. We are walking into the family room. To the left is the dining room, which leads you into the kitchen. Into a very spacious breakfast area. And back to the family room. This floor also has a deck out back. With lots of natural privacy. When you come in the front door and up to the steps to the left are 3 bedrooms. Here is your first one. Second bedroom. Your linen closet and hall bathroom. Third bedroom is the master. Here is your walk-in closet. And your master bathroom. Nice garden tub. Separate shower. Back to the front door, as you can see, on down the stairs to the terrace level. To the left, you have the 4th bedroom. The door in front of you leads to the 2-car garage. This door leads to the laundry room. And this door is just storage. There is a lot of storage in this home. And then we have a secondary living room, family room, playroom with a full bathroom. An office for your spiritual room. And your movie room, movie theater, entertainment room, gaming zone. And this door leads into the garage also, so you have 2 access ways to the garage. And this door leads outside where you have 2 access ways to the backyard. So if you are interested in this home, please give me a call, 678-412-0373. I'd be excited to be able to assist you with your home buying, home selling, rental, or investment. Please let me know how I can service your real estate needs. Stay awesome.